Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Salishan Mao here. Seeing how well the JJRC Q46 was performing, I couldn't resist. I got one more. And this is good because my 6-wheel drive burned the ESC. I'm waiting for the parts because ESC motor, all, including the receiver, everything burned. I don't know what happened. So, it's good that I have a JJRC Q46 to accompany Arish because Arish is driving a red one, which I have made turn into a convertible one because we're gonna put FPV system and camera here. This is gonna go convertible as well because I'm not gonna do the night driving for now, and if I did, I will put this bar on the front side. I like them convertible because they look badass with this convertible. I mean, removing the roof. It looks simply awesome, and it's very good to add FPV systems, cameras, and everything. So let's drive the blue one for the sake of the review and test. For the family off-road trailing, I'll be driving the blue one. Irish will be driving the red one, JJRC Q46. And check this out. Hadi already has dibs on this one. This is Subutek Pathfinder 4-wheel drive electric RC crawler. And this time with proportional steering and proportional throttle control. And trust me, this thing is an amazing off-road performer. Hadi is gonna love it. Definitely is gonna love it, inshallah. Alright, so let's bring this baby out and check it out. The light looks good only in the dark, but they're not that bright. So let's go. So which was the speed? This okay, this is the speed on this one. Nothing. Well, I'll just go full speed. Water. Okay, that was a good test. It went straight into one. So there isn't enough range on this radio. Why? This is not good. We are not gonna enjoy the FPV then. Okay, I'm torturing this one now. Hold on. Maybe it's the raining affecting this radio control. I'm just gonna go slow. Let's try the off-road performance first. I feel there is a delay in these radios, a little bit of delay. But anyway, so far they're working very well. What else do you want? Now this baby has some speed. Man, look, we made it dirty already. So we should be able to do some off-roading. Man, FPV trailing in these areas is gonna be a lot of fun driving just this way. Because this is high-speed JJRC. Come on, no radio control? That's not good. This radio is terrible. I mean, the controls, I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's because of the rain. I feel that these new El Cheapo radios they're using, in the raining, they just don't get any good signals. I have to point the radio to the truck all the time. Yeah, this radio, something is wrong because you see I have to just hold the radio like this all the time. This baby is designed for some speed and probably a softcore bashing because on this off-road it seems to be struggling, but when it comes to speed it doesn't struggle. So we're just gonna jump it up. Oh yeah, baby, that was nice. That's what we're talking about. We're gonna jump it again. Oh, that could be a nice backflip. One moment. I'll bring it down from here. Okay, back. Yeah, that was nice. Uh-oh. Diffs need to lock. We need differential lock, people. Okay, we are turtles. I wish they had like nice parts in this, so we could, like, you know, go for serious bashing, off-road bashing. That would be really fun. I mean, that's more than enough speed for some serious bashing. But I believe that if you want to do some serious bashing on this, you gotta go metal parts. At least the first thing you gotta do is get some better shocks. I just lost one spring. I'm glad I brought another JJRC Q46, so I just repaired it. So I'm back to bashing. Is that a send? That was nice. So you can do some little jumps, but do remember that when you do jumps, you actually bend the shocks. Plenty of speed for off-road bashing. And of course I was drifting, and that's where I actually lost one shock. I mean, spring on a shock. I was just doing this drifting, which is good. I mean, this vehicle is not bad, it's good, but I mean, number one, I just realized I found that this is a copy and a clone of Capo Racing Ace 1. That's why the design looks badass and aggressive. But I mean, apart from a copy and apart from the El Cheapo parts they put in, it's good. It's good vehicle. Imagine if it had some good parts and, you know, metal stuff like that. Imagine the things that this can do. You could go hardcore off-road bashing as well. I hope we don't break this truck until we put it to, you know, some FPV off-road trailing. Not as good as that crawler, but hey, still it's a four-wheel drive truck, so FPV trailing should be just fun. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.